Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hopefully you all will be fine. We are doing unit 13 of science, the movement of the earth. In our today's lesson, we will do question number 2 and question number 4 on page number 124 and 125. This is the picture of a sun and planets that revolve around the sun. There are 8 planets that revolve around the sun. First one is Mercury, second Venus, third Earth, fourth Mars, fifth Jupiter, sixth Saturn, seventh Uranus, and eighth one is Neptune. These 8 planets revolve around the sun. Question number 2 is, what are these planets? These are the names of planets that revolve round the sun, but the letters in the words are not arranged correctly and we have to unscramble these words. You can see when we have unscrambled this planet name, this is Saturn, next one this is Mercury, and next one is Jupiter. Similarly, when we have unscrambled these planets' name, these are Neptune, Earth, Mars, and Uranus. Now question is, and which one is missing from the list? As we know, there are 8 planets, but here are the names of 7 planets. It means one is missing from the list. And which one is missing? And the answer is Venus. Venus is missing from the list. Now come to our next page, page 125. Question number 4 is, Mr. Astronomer, not a very clever one and related to Mr. Scientist, made these statements. Was Mr. Astronomer right or wrong? Mark the sentences, tick or cross. There are some statements and we have to mark tick or cross whether these statements are right or wrong. First one, the light of the earth shines on the moon. And the answer is cross, because the light of the earth does not shine on the moon. Next one, the sun is a star. Answer is tick. Yes, the sun is a star. Next one, the planets revolve round the earth. No, answer is cross. As we know, planets revolve round the sun, not round the earth. Next one, the earth takes 1 year to rotate on its axis. As we have already discussed that earth takes 24 hours to rotate once on its axis, and this period is called a day. So this statement is wrong. Next one, there are 8 planets. Answer is tick. As we have discussed that there are 8 planets which revolve round the sun. Last one, the earth rotates on its orbit. Answer is cross, as the earth rotates on its axis, not on its orbit. Thank you so much dear students. Take care and Allah Hafiz.